In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download high-quality images from Pinterest. It's a fantastic resource for all sorts of visuals, whether you're looking for design inspiration, recipes, or just beautiful photography. So, if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First off, you'll want to open Pinterest and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll see a whole world of pins, boards, and ideas at your fingertips. Now let's find the image that caught your eye. You can either browse through your feed or use the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in a keyword related to what you're looking for. For instance, if you're searching for sunset photography, just type that in and hit enter. Pinterest will display a whole collection of relevant images. Once you find the image you want, click on the pin to open it. This will give you a better view of the picture and often more details about the context in which it was shared. You might come across a description, tags, and sometimes tips related to the image. This can help you determine if it's truly what you need. After clicking on the pin, look for the three dots, which you'll see next to the image. These three dots represent more options for you. Click on that, and a small menu will pop up. Among the options there, you'll find Download Image. Go ahead and click that. The image will be automatically saved to your computer, which is usually the default location unless you've set a different folder for downloads. If you're not closely watching where you've saved the file, don't worry, we'll find it in just a moment. Next, you'll want to navigate to your Downloads folder. You can usually find this by going to your File Manager or Finder, depending on whether you're using a Windows or a Mac. Simply click on the Downloads option, and you should see the image you just downloaded. Now here's a little tip. To check the quality of the image, right-click on the downloaded file and select Properties. If you're using a Mac, you can hold the Option key and click on the image, then choose Get Info. In this section, you will see the dimensions of the picture. The key here is to look at the resolution. For images to be considered high quality, you generally want the dimensions to be at least 1920 by 1080 pixels or higher, especially if you plan on using them for prints or larger displays. If, for any reason, the downloaded image isn't high enough quality for what you need, don't be disheartened. Pinterest has this nifty feature where many pins link back to the original source website where the image was first uploaded. If the image quality falls short, you can click on the linked website from the pin. This may lead you directly to a high-resolution version of the image, and from there you can often download it in better quality. This way, you're not only ensuring you're getting great visuals, but are also often supporting the artists and creators by visiting their original content. As we wrap up, remember that downloading high-quality images from Pinterest is a straightforward process. Just follow the steps we discussed and you're set. Plus, don't forget to check the original source if your image doesn't meet your quality expectations. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to download high-quality images from Pinterest. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Happy pinning and enjoy all the creative inspiration Pinterest has to